rides we would take, the moonlight on the lake, the way we danced and hummed our favorite songs, the things we did last summer. I remember all winter long, the midway and the fun, the Kirby dolls we won, the bell you rang to prove that you were strong. Ding dong, the things we did last summer. I remember all winter long. The early morning hike, the rented tandem bike, lunches that we used to pack. We never could explain that sudden summer rain and the looks we got when we got back. The leaves began to fade like promises we made. How could a love that seemed so right go wrong? The things we did last summer, I remember all winter long. Well, it was sunny summer loving and we had ourselves a blast. It's funny they say we had it, but it's all in the past. And my rainy day, I fear, is finally here. Now that I've cried for wishes that I threw aside, lessons in love when I lost my dear. The memory of autumn leaves something to be desired, as yellow, maroon, and brown, and orange and red begin to fall. Our summer song grew old and tired, tried poems and sonnets seemed uninspired. Our happy days in summer haze seemed harder to recall. Even the thrill of autumn in New York, well, I did